Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tessa Amelia. I come from Math Education Class D. I will present about how to use probability mathematics media. Probability. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes that can arise from an experiment, usually denoted by S. The number of members in S is denoted by NS. The sample point is any single result that is possible in the sample space, or it can be defined as all members of the sample space. An event is the sum of all the possibilities of a particular state or character. The science of mathematics categorizes probability into two, namely empirical probability and theoretical probability. Empirical probability is an probability that can be obtained through direct experiments which are carried out repeatedly and under the same condition. The empirical change of an experiment are not fixed, changeable, whether done by the same person or by different people. Theoretical probability. Theoretical probability are probability that are obtained without going through direct experiment. The theoretical probability is the equation between the number of members of event A, namely NA, and the number of members of the sample space S, namely NS, and probability based on what will happen. Empirical change and theoretical probabilities formula. Formula PA equal NA divide NS. On theoretical possibilities, PA equal probability of occurrence A, and A equals the number of possible occurrence A, and S equals the sum of all possibilities in the sample space. On empirical possibilities, PA equal probability of occurrence A, NA equals the number of occurrence of A in an experiment, and S equals the number of all experiments performed. Example of empirical probability dice throwing experiment. In this experiment, I use one dice with 10 trials. The results obtained from this experiment are yellow 3 divide 10, purple 1 divide 5, pink 1 divide 10, black 3 divide 10, brown 0, green 1 divide 10. Okay, that's all I can say about how to use probability mathematics media. Apologize if there were mistakes. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.